So before this video gets started, I want to tell you guys about an awesome new way to start making money on TikTok Shop, okay? TikTok Shop is a new program where people can buy and sell products right in TikTok. So when people are scrolling all day, they can buy stuff, but you can also make money selling products. And as you can see right here, I made over $1,000 in a single day on TikTok Shop. And if you want to learn exactly how to set up your own TikTok Shop page, I have a link below and you can join my program. You don't need to show your face, you don't need a following, and you don't need experience. And for a limited time right now, you can sign up and get a free trial and try it out. Join our group chat where we are discussing exactly how to set up your own TikTok Shop page so you can start earning thousands of dollars a month. This was me in the past month that I made over $4,000 on TikTok Shop. And on this one, in the past week, over $2,500. This is my TikTok Shop Seller Center. This is, in my opinion, the easiest way for anybody to start making money with no following, no experience. And the best part is it's completely drop shipping, so you don't need to deal with any inventory or shipping any product. Doing TikTok and YouTube absolutely changed my life and allowed me to buy my dream house here in Southern California that I'm sitting in right now. So if you want to learn how to set up your own TikTok Shop store and start making money, check out the link below. I would love to see you there. And remember, the first 100 people get a free trial, and that will be ending very, very soon. We are looking at an Uber driver who drives 100,000 miles on his car per year, driving a Tesla. This Uber driver goes out, and he actually broke his Tesla because he drove so much. He drives over 100,000 miles a year. You ready?
That's ridiculous.
Let's tune in.
So that's their mind frame. 8 years or 100,000 miles is the warranty on the battery. They don't expect you to do 100,000 miles in a year.
Right. Bro drives 100,000 miles per year doing Uber. All right. Do you think Ronnie SBETV is doing that? No. This guy has Ronnie SBETV beat.
I think he is doing that.
100,000 miles a year. So that's 300 miles a day.
Right. So you basically put 8 years in 1 year.
Lots of calls from people who moved from gasoline cars just because they have seen this on your channel. And they have gone ahead and bought Teslas.
I think you have a ride share right now. This guy's popular.
We need to interview this guy for sure.
Honest truth, now that I have done this change,
so he basically went out and his Tesla started braking because he put on so many miles on it for driving for Uber.
Drop-proof design. Back to the video.
Prior, I've always said that, look, I was just going to test the Tesla to see how it would hold up. But I want to keep it real with everyone. To be fair, it's a wonderful drive. You know, you drive it and it's light years away from just driving a gasoline car. I don't know if you could help me with that.
In our previous video, and after 90,000 miles, even with his rigorous daily needs, his Model 3 only showed a degradation of roughly 11%.
So basically, eventually, it broke down.
To like just trade it in and be like, hey, you know what? But
to drive to a server center to be able to
have them look at it.
You
know, so I think they did that. I don't think that the battery just declined in a couple of hours from 170 to 35, you know. And don't forget, they had said to me at my initial request that, it was regular wear and tear. So in a couple of weeks or whatever, you're now telling me, bring it in. And the initial notification they sent to me when they said bring it in and all of that, they sent me like a cost of 1,000 or something. I don't know.
Okay. Listen.
That doesn't look too bad. If you're trying to fix my battery for like 1,000, that's fine. So I take it in.
And at this point, you're out of warranty. You've gone over the amount of miles.
Because the warranty on your Tesla, guys, or any electric vehicle ends after either 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever one comes first.
Yeah.
So if you hit 101,000 miles and your battery shuts down, you got to buy a whole new battery. Which is exactly what happened to this guy. Listen in.
So you don't have the option of having the battery covered under warranty.
So I take it in, and then they have a look at it, and then they send me a message. First of all, they tell me all this, you're out of warranty and all of that. And so there's nothing we can do. We can't even give you a loan now because you're out of warranty. So you'd have to just make do yourself with whatever it is. So I'm like, okay, that's fine, but just get it fixed. Because I was still thinking it was going to be like $1,000, like they had said. The next thing, they sent me another text message after I had dropped it, saying, well, we have looked at your battery, you know, it's going to cost you now about $9,000 to have the battery. I'm stuck. I have the car in their facility. There's no other service provider that can look at it and, you know, give me another battery or whatever. So, I mean, I'm stuck with Tesla. So they're like 9 Gs. And then I look at it and my car note on it, because I was like immediately just infuriated by that. I wanted to like just trade it in and be like, hey, you know what? But my car note on it is still over 40 Gs. You can walk in.
Unfortunately, yeah, you bought it right when.
So he bought a car. He owes $40,000 on it.
Yeah.
And now he has to spend an additional $9,000 to fix the battery on a car that he owes $40,000 on. So he's basically now negative $49,000 on this car.
That's crazy.
This is... I don't even know what to say, honestly. What are your thoughts, Izzy?
Well, I guess basically don't get a Tesla if you're going to drive Uber full time.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, unless you want to, you know, keep in mind that you might have to cover the cost of a brand new battery if your car breaks down.